Welcome to our HC3S and Tilda cook-along. We're going to learn how to cook veg and rice so you can eat them to defeat them!
Hi kids, my name is Harv.
My name is Luke and we're from Tilda.
And today we shall be cooking a vegetable of the week.
Kids, can you guess the vegetable?
We can't hear you! Say it louder! Yes, you are right. It is a pepper. Not any pepper, but a petrifying pepper. I wonder what we can cook with peppers. I know, maybe some petrifying zombie peppers. Let's get started. Prep the peppers. Cut the tops and deseed the peppers. Cut a face into the peppers. Place the peppers onto a baking tray and into the oven. Time to cook the Tilda brown and white rice. Pour 1 cup of Tilda brown and white rice. Pour 2 cups of water. Put the lid on and cook for 25 minutes. Time to prep the ingredients while the rice cooks. When I say you're stuffed, you say peppers. You're stuffed. Peppers. You're stuffed. Peppers. Okay kids, here are the ingredients. In order to prep them, I'm going to shout out, "You're stuffed," and you say peppers. You're stuffed. Peppers. Great job kids. Now let's get cooking. Heat the oil in a pan and add in the onions and chickpeas. Stir, stir, stir. Add in the courgette. Stir, stir, stir. Time to check the rice. Wow, looks amazing. Kids, are you ready to eat them to defeat them? Add the Tilda brown and white rice. Add the rice mixture to the pepper. Return back to the oven. While it cooks, let's find out some fun facts about petrifying peppers and rice. Some peppers are hot and spicy, others are sweet. Red, yellow, orange bell peppers are simply green bell peppers that have been left on the vine to continue to ripen. Over 1 billion people in the world eat rice. All white rice starts as brown rice. Shall we see if it's ready? You're stuffed! Peppers! Thank you for joining in. Are you ready to